Do you love Cocomatch but have trouble opening jars?
Does your non-stick spray leave you constantly disappointed?
Don't you wish you could just snatch your Cocomatch in an easy-to-squeeze tube?
That's right, Susan. I know just the thing.
Cocosnatch!
Did you say Cocosnatch?
I sure did.
Wow! Tell me more!
From the makers of Cocomatch comes a new easy-to-grab,
Easy to squeeze?
easy-to-squish,
Handy dandy?
portable,
Tasty?
revolutionary product! Cocosnatch is a versatile personal lubricant, which means you can use it to grease your pots, pans, or even your skillet.
Interesting, Susan. But how do I grease my skillet?
Have you never had your skillet greased?
No, but I saw my mom do it once.
Well, then you know. Start with a firm grip. Then grab your Cocosnatch and squeeze out a generous amount.
I see. So you want to get it nice and wet. What do I do now?
Next, gently rub Cocosnatch on your skillet in a small circular motion.
Ooh, this is exciting. I can't believe it's my first time.
For best results, don't just grease your skillet, grease your food too.
So, wait a second. Can I use Cocosnatch to grease this zucchini?
You bet!
Wow, I'm a natural.
Cocosnatch makes everything easy.
What about this eggplant?
If it'll fit in the pan.
Neato! I think it'll fit.
But it doesn't stop there.
Can I use it on my rusty door hinge?
Absolutely.
How about my curling iron?
100%.
But what about a baseball bat?
If you're into that, totally.
Wow! How much does it cost?
That's the best part. Only 99 cents per bottle.
99 cents?
I know, right?
Where do I buy it?
Right here. Just call 1-800-COCOCOS and order yours today.
And if you order in the next 10 minutes, we'll send you a second batch of Cocosnatch for free.
Hurry, call now.
Shipping and handling is $9.99 per order. All orders are non-refundable. Cocosnatch should be used in moderation. Cocosnatch does not prevent STDs, pregnancy, or bad relationship choices. Use of Cocosnatch may be followed by an irresistible urge to smoke a cigarette. Do not put Cocosnatch on stairs.
Cocosnatch!
Cocosnatch.